Alright, this is how to upload the new Chamberlain keypads. This is the CH348. Here is the Liftmaster. This is compatible with Craftsman and Chamberlain and Liftmaster. So you hold the 0 and the 3 buttons for about 6 seconds till the lights go solid. When that happens, then you hit your learn button. This works for anything since 1997. So yellow button, purple button. Let's go 1 5 1 5. Hit this 3 times. So you hit that 3 times after you do your code within about 20 seconds. Then this will start to move, and you'll hit this twice. Pop. So that should be programmed. So that's in the up position. It's in up. If I hit enter, it goes down, and there you go. That is programmed. I'll show you once it's down. Give this a second. Let's see. 1 5 1 5. Enter. There you go.